Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine during this lockdown period. This is Virendra, your computer science teacher. I will welcome you on my YouTube channel. Okay, I welcome you, all my participants, all my viewers, and my dear students. Okay, so students, this video belongs to class 7th student, and class 7th student already studied the chapter number 9, the virus. Okay, each and every topic is already finished, and I hope you all are was on the previous video and you don't have any kind of doubt here. But still, if you have any kind of doubt, definitely you can come to me and you can share your doubts by using YouTube comments. Right, student? So let's come to the board so that I can give you the details about this video. So students, in this video, first of all, we should just recall what topics which are already finished. Topics which are already finished. So first one, introduction, it is already finished. Introduction, right? This topic is finished. Number 2, malware. Number 3, types of malware. Number 4, types of virus. Number 5, okay, introduction, malware, types of virus. Now next one is virus symptoms. Next one, after the virus symptom, what we have to study here? Prevention from virus. Topic number 7, which is already finished here. Topic number 7 is, yes, tell me, antivirus. Yes, topic number 7 is antivirus. And the last, not the least, that is quick heal antivirus. Quick heal antivirus. So these are the topics which we have already finished here. And what we will do in today's online class? What we will do? Okay. So I am going to write on the board, and then we will able to know what we will do in today's online class. So I am erasing here. And after this, I am going to write the content what we are going to study in today's class. So students, today we are going to complete the exercise of this chapter. Okay, we will discuss each and everything, and you already watched the previous videos, and I think you don't have any kind of doubt. But if you still, you can ask me. Right? So right now we will cover up your fill in the blanks, your MCQ, your true false, your question answer, each and everything we will cover here. Right, student? So to give you the most interactive way of teaching and most enjoyable way of education to you, please come to my laptop so that you can have a best way of understanding. Please come. Okay, students. Now in this video we have completed the topics introduction, malware, types of virus symptom, prevention from virus, and antivirus software. We already completed these topics in our previous video, that is the virus part 1, the virus part 2. These two videos already watched and you have understood each and everything. But student, still I received some of the queries here that regarding this chapter. So student, I request you to please watch that video very carefully, and then you can ask any of the questions. But still, if you have any kind of doubt, any kind of query, you can definitely come to me, okay, and immediately talk to me by using the WhatsApp comment as well as YouTube comment. Okay students, so now with this I am coming to the next slide. Okay students, now in this video we are going to cover the exercise here, and in this exercise we will cover up your fill in the blanks, your MCQ, your true false, your question answer, each and everything. Okay students, so right now I am going to read the questions one by one, and you have to give the answer by using the YouTube comment. Okay students, so are you ready? Okay, so I am going to start now. First question, fill in the blanks. A computer virus dash the normal operation of a function. You can use the options given below side, and then you will try to give the answer. Okay, be fast students, just give your answer by using the YouTube comments. Question number 2, computer virus result in the loss of dash and dash of data. This is your second question. Now question number 3, the virus dash the computer without permission or knowledge of users. I repeat, the virus dash the computer without the permission or knowledge of user. Question number 4, a computer virus causes harm to the dash and dash stored in a computer by overwriting them with garbage. I repeat, a computer virus causes harm to the dash and dash stored in a computer by overwriting them with garbage. Question number 5, virus enter through an infected dash and dash. Question number 6, the virus program are dash. And second last question, some virus program monitor the dash in the host computer and trigger on a certain day like dash. Next question and the last question in the fill in the blanks. Dash are assigned to identify, prevent and remove the virus from a computer. Okay students, so these all questions belongs to fill in the blanks. Options are given below. You can take the help of these options and give your answer by using YouTube comments. Okay so students, now with this I am going to give you the answers. Please match with your answer, right? So coming to the next slide. So students, this is your answer. First, the answer of first question, disturb. Answer of second question, speed and destruction. Answer number 3, enters. Answer number 4, data program. Answer number 5, CD, pen drive. Answer number 6, self-replicating. Answer number 7, clock, Friday the 13th. And the last answer is antivirus software, right? So these are the answers of fill in the blanks. Okay students, I hope you are able to understand, and you must be doing your work in a careful manner. So with this I am coming to the next question. So students, right now the times comes here for true false. Okay, so right now total 10 questions are there. I am going to read one by one, and whatever your answers are there, you have to give your answer by using the YouTube comment. Question 1, computer virus is similar to a biological virus. Yes or no? Please give the answer. All virus programs cause harm to data or programs. Question number 3, the virus Friday the 13th gets activated on 25th December. What do you think? Is it true or false? Okay, just give your answer. Question number 4, the creeper virus was first detected on ARPANET in the year 2002. Question number 5. You should equip your computer with antivirus program. Sixth question. Trojan horse are self-replicating. Question number 7. A virus can enter your computer through the infected pen drive. Okay, students. I repeat the question one more time. A virus enter your computer through an infected pen drive. Now, next question. Virus has no effect on the speed of a computer. Second last question. Virus increases the memory of a computer. And the last question, not the least, virus stand for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. Okay, so these are all questions here, and I have read one by one. You are giving the answers very rapidly on the YouTube comment. Please continue this. Okay, but meanwhile I am sharing the answers of this question. Please match with this. So first answer false, second answer again false, third answer false, fourth answer false, fifth answer true, sixth answer false, seventh answer true, eighth answer false, ninth answer false, and the last answer is true. Right, student? So this is the answer of your true false question. Okay, and please match, and you should make sure that your answer should be correct according to this answer, right? Okay, now I am coming to the next part, next slide. Yes, student, that's a favorite question come here, and that is MCQ, multiple choice questions. I am going to read one by one. You have to give any one answer. Which virus infect the boot record or master boot record? Which virus infect the boot record or master boot record? Number 1, worm. Number 2, boot virus. Number 3, spyware. Question number 2. Which virus is named after the wooden horse used by Greek army to conquer the city of Troy? Which virus is named after the wooden horse used by Greek army to conquer the city of Troy? Number 1, Dark Avenger. Number 2, Stoned virus. Number 3, Trojan horse. Question number 3. When was the first PC virus released? 1987, 1985, 1897. Question number 4. Which of the following is name of the virus? Which one of the following is the name of a virus? Number 1, Jan 1st. Number 2, April 1st. Number 3, May 1st. And the last question is, who released the first PC virus? Duke brothers, Wright brothers, and Farooq Alvi brothers. These are the 3 options. Okay, many of the students have given the correct answer. That's very good. Keep continuing the giving answers, right? So now I'm giving the answer here. Please match the answer with this. Okay, if any mistake is this, please make the corrections. So the first answer, boot virus. Second answer, Trojan horse. Third answer, 1987. Fourth answer, April 1st. And the last answer, Farooq Alvi brothers. Okay, students. Now I'm coming to the next question. Now it's time the question, answer the following questions, right? So right now the questions is written there, answer is also written there. So the question is, what is computer virus? Name its type. So what is it? It's a program or set of program that disturb the normal operation of a computer. For example, Friday the 13th, Dark Avenger, Disk Killer. Types of virus are boot virus, program file virus, right? Multipartite virus, and last is macro virus. Many other kinds of virus also, but I have mentioned only 4 here. Okay, student? So I hope you are able to understand each and everything. With this, I am coming to the question number 2. Write any 2 possible symptoms of virus in a computer. Write any 2 possible symptoms of virus in a computer. So our answer is, first one, reduce the speed of a computer by occupying the memory space. reduce the space of a computer by occupying the memory space. Number 2, causing storage movement, strange movement or pattern on the screen. Strange movement or pattern on the screen. So these are the two possible symptoms here. Now I am coming to the next question. Students, I request you, if you like this video, please subscribe it, okay, and share to your friends also, okay, and if you have any kind of valuable feedback, please give it to me. With this, I am coming to the question number 3. What do you understand by the term spyware? What do you understand by the term spyware? Answer is, it is a type of malware. It is a type of malware that is installed on a computer and collect information about users without their knowledge. Okay? It secretly monitors the user's computing. It secretly monitors the user computing. With this, I am coming to the next question. Okay, next question is, explain the term Trojan horse. Explain the term Trojan horse. So the answer is, it is nothing but it's a simple program that pretend to useful application, whereas it always does something destructive. I repeat, it's a simple program that pretend to useful application, whereas it always does something destructive. It are non-self-replicating. Trojan horse self-replicating नहीं होता है. It can be spread only when it's copied to the another system. So this is the definition, this is the explanation about the Trojan horse. Now students, coming to the second last question. Write any 3 ways that can help in preventing a virus from the infection. आपको 3 तरीके लिखने हैं जिससे कि हम वायरस इन्फेक्शन से अपने कंप्यूटर को बचा सकें. So the first is, scan your hard disk twice in a month. Number 2, take backup of important files every day. And last is, install good antivirus program in your computer. Right students? So I hope you are able to understand each and everything, but still if you have any kind of query, definitely you can get in touch with me, right? So please come to the next slide. This is the last question. What is an antivirus software? Name any one software that is used in your school computers, right? So the answer is, antivirus software is a computer program that are designed to identify and prevent and remove the virus from the computer. I repeat, antivirus program is the computer program that are designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from the computer. And in our school, the antivirus is used here, Quick Heal antivirus. It means that Quick Heal total security. This is the antivirus we are running here, right students? Now with this, I am coming to the next slide. So students, what you have learned in this session? Okay, right now you are able to complete your fill in the blanks, true, false, MCQ and question answer also. Okay, and you have to write the question answer in your fair copy also. And you have to learn each and everything what I am teaching to you, right students? So definitely I am waiting for your questions, waiting for your feedback also, right student? Okay students, so I hope you all have understood whatever the queries there in exercise. But if you want to discuss any more questions, any extra questions, you can give on the WhatsApp as well as YouTube comment. So students, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching it from starting till the end, and you can share this video to your friends also. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And also one more thing, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get our notification at first time. Right, friend? So thanks for watching me.